Hello friends, welcome back to Indo Cuisine. In this video, we are going to watch how to make quail egg thokku. For that, we have taken a pack of quail egg, boiled and peeled. The pack comes with around 16 eggs, I guess. Then we've taken sliced onion, green chili, tomatoes diced. Now heat a pan, add a little bit of mustard, bring it to boil. When the mustard splatters, add two green chilies or based on your spice level. Um, Roast the green chili in oil, which is good for your heart, as we always say. Okay, let it get cooked. Now we'll add the sliced onions. So here we normally add a little bit of salt so that the onion cooks faster. Okay, now we have to golden fry the onions in this case. The tokku will be a little sweetish, but it'll be yummy. Okay. Yep, this level should be fine. As you see, like, 3/4 of the onions are golden fried, golden brown. Now we're going to add ginger garlic paste. So we are making some space in the pan. Fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell goes off. Okay, mix the entire stuff. Add tomatoes. Yeah, fry them very well. Now we are adding a saffrotito, hing, then turmeric, and then a little bit of chili powder. We're going to add a little bit of chili powder because we'll be adding some black pepper as well at the end. Okay, now mix well. That is a little bit of a pinch of garam masala. Don't add too much because it will dominate the entire taste. Now we are adding black pepper. Mix well, bring it to a thick paste kind of consistency, as you see. You have to close cook as well after adding a little bit of water. So we are adding a little bit of water. So it depends on how thickness you want. Okay, let's close cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, or maybe a little less. Now, yeah, this is the correct consistency to add the eggs, the boiled eggs. Um, if you want, you can slit the eggs so that the entire the the what do you call that? The paste or the masala goes inside evenly. Okay. Now we let it fry the egg in the gravy for a while, maybe for about 2 minutes. Make sure it doesn't the eggs doesn't become harder. I think it's ready to go now. Yep, it is ready. So garnish with a little bit of coriander. And yep, it goes very well with roti, chapati, naan, rice, as you wish. Yep, this is how it goes. Okay, it's ready. Hope you liked it. So until we meet in next video, bye from Indo Cuisine. Bye, and do share, like, and maybe subscribe if you like.